How to change Yahoo Mail display name. So if you want to change Yahoo Mail display name, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for Yahoo and click on the first search which says www.yahoo.com, and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, go to your profile, which is on the upper right corner, and then click on settings, and now choose your language. And after choosing, go to update personal details, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And from here, if you want to change your display name, then you can remove your first and last name and then enter a new name. And after entering your new name, you can simply click on save updates. And that's it. That's how you change your name. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.